What's up? You know who it is. It's your boy, BlakeWrTv, Chef Blake. And today we have a little story that we want to cover. It's a story that happened some time ago. But I came across this story and I'm telling you, it was cracking me up. This was like one of the most hilarious story I've heard of in a while. So I have to really, guys, come and do a vlog about this story, because I know you guys want to hear this. And some of you guys may have heard of it already, but trust me, I'm going to cover it because this joint is off the chain. Hey, anything you want to say? I'm here with my son, guys. He's just chilling. He just like to be in all the videos. What you want to say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, he wants you guys to like the video, share the video, and consider subscribing to the video. Okay? So give it a thumbs up. Alright, guys, so this story, is a story from Loop News, and I did some research on the story, and it's a true story, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys the link in the comment section or description section of the video, so you guys can go and look it up as well. And this story says, I'm gonna go ahead and read the story. It said, 2 suspect goat thief. Now come on, man. Why these people don't leave the people them goat? You know, a farmer who raised goat, it's a very slow farming. You know, any livestock is slow farming. You have to raise the animal for so many months or maybe year before you can bring it to a harvest. And for a person to come in and look at your goat and say, hey, that little goat, they look nice. We can get some curry goat after that one day. You know, like a rammy look nice. I'm gonna pass and I try to scope out your goat, drive around and check out your goat to make sure, boy, it's the right time you can come and snatch it up. This is what the story about. So let's get into it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the goat. You see the goat? That's the goat right there. That's a little man. When the farmer come and say, man, where my goat then? Man. No goat can show up. Man, where my goat? Who got with my goat? Me only find a rope. It's funny, huh? Hey, listen. So let's get into it, guys. So hear what the news says. 2 suspected goat thieves was kicked the bucket in a dramatic incident in rural St. Ann. This is rural St. Ann, Jamaica. All right, let's get into it. 2 men are dead after allegedly embarking on a criminal mission to steal goats in the rural district of Middlesex in St. Ann, Jamaica. You know where that is. Okay, one of the deceased men has been identified as Trevor Lee, a Hosang, and a taxi operator of Retreat, St. Mary. The other has not been identified by the police. Now check this out. This man has a taxi. This man has a legitimate business to make money to feed himself and his family, but yet still he decided to go thief the people them goat. Okay, so the third man, who was allegedly also part of the goat stealing mission, is now in police custody. Alright, so we're looking for the taxi driver. We haven't found him yet. Alright, let's keep it going. This thing is getting spicy like chicken. Alright, the incident unfolded late Tuesday evening when residents of Middlesex, a community between Guys Hills and Manique, saw 3 men traveling in a Toyota Probox motorcar with what appeared to be a goat. Okay, it is further reported that a licensed firearm holder, and seeing the car, signaled to the driver to stop, but a shootout ensued. So check this out, guys. A man saw the goat in the car, right? The car passed. The man was suspicious. The man was a licensed firearm holder, and he decided to act in the interest of the community to seize the goat when it was stolen, right? And you know, say I shoot out ensued because the man them have them piece and pop it off like Clint Eastwood. You know what I mean? A wild west things ensue right there. So let's go in. Let's keep it going. The motor car then crashed along a section of the roadway. The 2 male passengers then ran from the vehicle, leaving the driver behind. The driver, later identified as Lee Ho Sang, was found suffering from injuries he sustained in the crash, and he subsequently, you know what it is, he subsequently kicked the bucket, guys. We can't say certain things on YouTube. A goat was also found inside the vehicle. A little goat, man. Just imagine the little goat in the box in the back of the car. Man, thank you for saving me. You know, I was gonna be the curry pot. You guys saved me. Oh my God. I'm sorry for that little goat. But anyway, keep it going. Meanwhile, the two other men were cornered in a community near Manique called Turberry. Can't pronounce that right. Turberry. Okay, make sure we get that right. One was, oh my gosh, one was hacked till he kicked the bucket, and the other man, said to be in his 20s from St. Mary address, was speared and apprehended by the police. Now this thing is getting terrible, guys. It's getting bad. All over like a man, goat, curry goat. Okay, the guys Hills police and the Manique police have launched a probe into the bizarre incident, guys. Over the years, Middlesex and rural communities of St. Anne's have been plagued by perennial thieves. Despite making numerous reports to the police, farmers continue to suffer from the hands of criminals who have stolen their livestock and crops. This has resulted in residents taking action by executing jungle justice and hoodlums. Guys, listen. We know Jamaica is hard. It's Corona time right now and a lot of stuff is going on. But me are telling you guys, leave them alone. Leave the man them livestock alone, guys. Trust me, you got to have a heart, yo. A livestock takes a long time to come to harvest. Me not lie, I used to raise goat. When I was living in the country, I used to have a goat for myself, so I can speak from experience. It's a long, lengthy process. You gotta get up every day and put the goat on grass, then you gotta move it again in the middle of the day and put it somewhere else out of the sunshade. I mean, it's just it's one of the hardest job there is to raise livestock. You know what I mean? Whether you have them in a fence pen, whatever thing, where you know you have to feed them, guys. It's very tedious. It's very it's just a hard job, put it that way, man. Anyway, so we know in Jamaica we have a lot of story. Just a few months ago, I believe it was this year, probably before the Corona strike, there was a man in Jamaica. He's a farmer. The man have a lot of cows. Y'all may see in this video already. This guy have hundreds and hundreds of cows, man, maybe like 1,000 cows or something. And I don't know what happened. Some people hurt the man cow, and he lost over 20 cows just because of people decided to just harm his cow. This was a bad story. So I mean, according to the farmer, he was saying what they really want to do is steal his cow, but because the way he fenced the place up and the way he secured the enclosement of his animal, you know what I mean, the people couldn't get to thief them. So as a result, they decided to retaliate on the cow and the man by harming his livestock. Guys, listen, y'all need to cut that out, guys. Leave the man them alone. All right, so keep it going. In April of 2016, we know this is like a way back, but still, it's a good story. An identified man accused of stealing cows. Listen, we're talking about the cow, the same thing I was just mentioning. Listen, April of 2016, an identified man accused of stealing cows was succumbed by angry resident on Mines Road in Chapham, Manique. His accomplice was speared and handed over to the pow. Handed over to the pow. Okay, so residents are doing jungle justice. They ain't playing no more, guys. Leave the people them cow alone, because the people them in Jamaica, they know say them cow is very valuable. Them time of raising it is so long and lengthy. It's so tiring. It's so tedious. But yet still the farmer them still push on. Every man them put on the water boat or the farm shoes and then push out of the house and then go bring their livestock to get food. So now leave the man thing them alone. Alright. Keep on reading. That incident came within a week after two men, 37-year-old Dave Campbell and a taxi operator. Yo, what wrong with the taxi them? Why the taxi them always involved in the animal them? What with the taxi man them? Yo, when you get a taxi license, right? Check this out. When you get a taxi license to carry passenger, right? So why would you not carry passenger and leave the livestock alone? Why? Yo, let me tell you something. All Jamaican, if you see a goat in a taxi, check it out. Guys, more likely some thief in a go on. It's what I say. Some farmer somewhere is crying, missing their livestock. So if you see a taxi driver with any goat inside of the car, matter of fact, if you see any vehicle at all with any livestock in it, check it out. And I don't mean you guys to go check it out, your physical self. Call the police and let the police check it out. Remember, you are doing it in good faith. Give the police the information of the vehicle, get the tag number down. Even if you don't confront, I don't want you to confront the driver. Hey, you know how some Jamaican are. I'm not saying Jamaican because you have some good Jamaican. You have some law-abiding Jamaican that is peacekeeping people. Christian, good heart people. You know, I'm not talking about the Christian and we go to church on Sunday only. On Monday morning, they're like Rambo. You know what I mean? Talking about the good 70 a week, good Christian people. So there are good people still in Jamaica. I mean, Jamaica have a bad reputation for thieving people things. Nobody can be trusted. For the minute you come out of the plane at the airport, you saw scamming going. I'm not lying. Because I was scamming Jamaica. Back in 2015, I was scammed, 2011 I believe. I was scammed almost 100,000 Jamaican, right? I was in Ocho Rios and some guys told me that they were some manager of some hardware and they were doing like a promotion and discount and stuff. And then my father, he's a construction builder. He built houses. So while he was down there working on my place, he was, you know what I mean, we were really introduced to this guy who introduced himself as a hardware manager. And he was out in the community looking for people who was building to kind of like help them with material and give them a discount and in turn getting customers and business for his business. You know what I mean? That's a hustling type of, you know, promoting your business or whatever. So I was kind of suspicious about the thing. So at the same time, I allowed my father to, you know, talk to him because, you know, he knows everybody pretty much. And it turns out my father didn't know this guy, and I didn't know that because he didn't tell me that he didn't know this guy. So I gave the guy $100,000 to go buy material, and 100,000 Jamaican dollars is about, let's convert that in the US. 100,000 Jamaican dollars is about like 1,000 US, or maybe like about 1,100 US. You see what I'm saying? So it's about 1,100 US dollars. It sounds like a lot of money in Jamaican, but it's about 1,100. But even though $1,100, it's like a paycheck for some people in America. You know, a whole 2 weeks check. So that's still losing your hard work in cash. You know what I mean? By a scamming thing. So I lost my money just like that. The dude went into the hardware, you know, conned my father because I wasn't there and stuff. You know, I was somewhere else, and I lost my $100,000 through this scamming business. All right, so I learned the hard way what it feels like, you know, if it be scam, thief, losing your little goat, your cow, your hard working thing. I understand what it is, guys. So talking about the popo here. That incident came within a week after two men, 37-year-old Campbell, a taxi operator, and 22-year-old Alfonso Perry, both from the Lime Hall, St. Anne's, were succumbed by angry resident of Ben Sarton, Claremont, also in St. Anne, after allegedly being caught with stolen stolen goats inside their vehicle. That's funny, isn't it? So guys, listen, it's a chain of events, guys. It seems like every year, every month, some guys on the loose in Jamaica just looking for goat. You understand?
They have something to eat.
They're looking for something to eat. They're looking for some quick cash. They're looking to sell the goat to make some money. You know, when a man stole a goat, more likely that he's gonna bring it somewhere and sold it, or he gonna harvest the goat and then he's gonna sell the meat, but even back to the goat market. So you probably be in the goat market buying mutton. You know, goat meat is also called mutton. So if you may be in the market buying mutton, and the mutton that you are buying belongs to some farmer next door or further down in the community that is lamented over their stolen livestock, guys. So in Jamaica, I'm begging the people, please go find something to do, because it's hard. It is hard.
Get some real food to eat.
Well, get some real food to eat. Well, the good meat is real food, you don't think so? It is real food, right? But they feel like it's an easy way to just eat without working for it, right? So guys, listen, I was watching Ross Kitchen. Y'all know who Ross Kitchen is. Rasta Moko, and it's a TV vlogging show on YouTube as well. You know, I was watching where Rasta Moko has this nice goat. You know what I mean? One of the episode, he has this nice goat, and one morning he went and the goat was gone. You know, and he was like, he tied the goat really good, and the goat was gone. And he went to the community looking for people, you know, if they see anybody, and they was like, yeah, they saw some car people, you know, there were some guys with the goat, you know, so he lost his goat, you know what I mean? So I'm just saying, guys, there's a lot of people in Jamaica who is having this goat issue. You know, a lot of people want to raise animal in Jamaica. A lot of people want to go into farming, you know what I mean, livestock, because it's very lucrative. It's a long, slow process, but it's very lucrative when it come on to harvest, because selling a goat in Jamaica, how much do you think a goat costs in Jamaica?
It may be like $3,000.
$3,000. My son said $3,000. You know, so he just guessing out there. You know what I mean? Doing a good job though. But a goat in Jamaica, guys, probably going for maybe close to $100,000. You know what I mean? If you have a nice, big, nice fat rammy, and it's Thanksgiving coming up, or it's a dancehall thing that go on, you know what I mean? Some type of show promotion that go on, and you know, say, boy, you want to kill that goat because you wanna go make it like a, you know when you kill a goat, it's several different type of dishes can come out of a goat. Because first of all, the head, you can use the head and the intestines and all them things there to cook manish water. For you guys who don't know manish water is when you take the goat head and you put it over the fire, you know what I mean, and you kind of like smoke the goat head, and you clean the intestines and all them things. They might have sound weird on YouTube, but I mean, it's a Jamaican delicacy. Goat intestines, something what we call ma and all them good things. With the goat head, you know, you make that with green bananas, you know what I mean, and your cock soup, whatever you want to put in there, and you make a delicious manish water goat head soup, and you sell that at the dance hall. So right out of the gate, when everybody hungry and in there drinking liquor and party all night, log on and do all the little, you know what I mean, dancing and holding the vibes, and you know, when you go to the party you get hungry, you understand? After artists perform and everybody hungry, even everybody are coming to the soup man. So everybody from Jamaica knows, say, everywhere a dance is kept, you know there's a food man always outside. Whether he's a part of the venue or he's just a hiddler, somebody who is out on the street with a little soup pot, a little stove, some coal underneath it, with some nice warm soup and some corn and the cod. You know there's a soup man always somewhere around. So, therefore, we can use the goat for that type of soup, and we also can cook some curry goat and white rice.
Safe.
Right, and be safe. Safe doing it. Don't steal anybody goat so you get in trouble. No man business around here, okay? Keep the man them goat off of your list. Alright? Okay guys, you know.
Bring them goat back.
Yeah, do the right thing. Do the right thing. Aiden say bring the people them goat back. Bring the people them goat back, or leave them alone in the first place, so you don't have to get in trouble. Because these things can be serious, guy. You can get jungle justice. You can lose your little can't breathe type of thing. You see what I'm saying? You can lose it. So please, protect yourself. Be honest. Go find a job. Go raise some chicken. You understand? Go raise some chicken. Find some work for do.
And don't be caught.
Don't be caught with nobody things, okay? Leave the people them livestock alone. No man around here, okay? Leave the people them goat alone. Alright? Anything else you want to say?
And when you're having a goat, always buy that goat and ask for permission.
Hear that? Always pay for the people them goat. If you need a goat, as Aiden said, pay for it. Leave the people them goat if you don't have any money. And taxi drivers,
And
like
you
I said,
can do a job if you don't have no money.
get a job, get some money. You're correct. Get a job, get some money, pay for what you need, guys. And if you can't pay for it, leave it alone. Find something to do, guys. Stop stealing the people them goat, because this goat business is becoming like a pandemic, like the COVID-19 in Jamaica. Everywhere in Jamaica, people are crying. People are just lamented over there. Rami gone. Rami, where's my little Rami? I've been raising my Rami for the last 6 months and I come out here and I can't find it. Where is the Rami? Guys, leave the people them alone. Go find a job and stop it. Alright guys, this is Chef Blake. Today I'm chilling with my son. We decided to do this little video for you guys so you guys can know what's going on. And I'm going to leave the link in the comment section, so if you guys want to go read this little article with my nice little goat, my little man, my nice little goat on the front, you guys can go pick it up and read it for yourself and see what's going on, what's popping. Alright guys, no other than Chef Blake with BlakeWrTv. Remember to like, share, and consider subscribing to my channel to help it grow. I need 1,000 subscribers, guys. I need to build a channel, and I'm depending on you.
We have 72.
We're depending on you guys to help us grow, help us build a channel so that we can put out more material, put up more video like this, and more good, delicious cooking.
And we can put up more episodes.
More episode, more things will be coming,
like
but we need your assistance, guys. Remember to subscribe. You don't have to pay, because somebody asked me, do I have to pay when I subscribe to a channel? No, it's free, guys. All you gotta do is hit that little subscribe button
On your phone,
and you can choose
on your TV.
right, and you can choose either to get all notification for future video that I may upload, or you can choose only to get important video if you don't want to get all the videos, you know what I mean? But hitting the subscribe button is helping out the channel, and that's how YouTubers grow over time, guys. Please do the right thing, because you are helping the channel grow, so you get more entertainment, you get more news, you get more information that you can kick back, relax at home, and watch a good entertainment video, guys. Helping the people and grow their channels, because you are doing the right thing, you know what I mean? You know, you are doing the right thing. You're doing a Christian thing too, you know? Yeah. Give and you shall receive. That's what the Bible says. Give and you shall receive.
Build some houses.
Simple little things like clicking the subscribe button is doing a Christian thing. Give and you shall receive. You are being honest. No, you are being generous, not honest.
Because we only have 72 money.
We ain't got no 72 money. We got one more money than that. What are you talking about, boy? Look, alright guys, I do YouTube not so much for money. I do it because I like the platform. I like the ability to reach out to people, share my story. You know what I mean? And just have a little hobby, things to do. You know what I mean? So you guys can help me reach 1,000 subscribers. You know, but if you guys don't, I mean, I understand. I'm still good. I always put up video regardless. I mean, again, thank you for watching. BlakeWrTv. Cop. Boom.
What's up?
All right.